Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn stoichiometry together, step by step. Atoms are far too tiny to count one by one, so chemists use the mole. 1 mole is about 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles, a number called Avogadro's constant. It works like a chemist's dozen. The molar mass in grams per mole lets us weigh out exactly that many particles on a balance. A balanced equation is really a recipe in moles. The coefficients tell you the mole ratio between substances. For making water, 2 moles of hydrogen react with 1 mole of oxygen to give 2 moles of water, a ratio of 2 to 1 to 2. These ratios are the bridge that connects every amount in a reaction. Let's make ammonia. The equation shows 3 moles of hydrogen give 2 moles of ammonia. Suppose we have 6 moles of hydrogen. Multiply by the ratio, 2 ammonia over 3 hydrogen, and the units cancel cleanly. 6 times 2 over 3 equals 4. So 6 moles of hydrogen produce 4 moles of ammonia. The ratio did the work. Now from mass to moles. Carbon has a molar mass of 12 grams per mole. If a sample weighs 36 grams, divide by 12, and you get 3 moles of carbon. Molar mass is the converter between the grams you can weigh and the moles you reason with. Mastering that switch lets you predict real lab amounts. Let's bring it together. The mole lets us count enormous numbers of particles. A balanced equation gives mole ratios that link every substance in the reaction. And molar mass converts between grams you measure and moles you calculate. Combine these tools, and you can predict exactly how much product a reaction will make. That is stoichiometry. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.